Hi everybody, welcome to new pep talk for this week. Today we will be teaching you a very nice way of creating a busy board for your young ones. This busy board is very good for kids from 18 months till 2.5 or even as early as 14-16 months up till age 2.5 years old. What you need is some pretty much low cost resources. So you can see that we have taken this cake box. Between my cousin is a baker, so she sent me on the birthday some cake. So we have taken that box, and what you need is different type of lids or caps, glue gun and glue stick. So let's open this and see how through this very low cost resource you can develop early writing skills, enhance fine motor skills and everything. So you see, and it's so easy, so you can actually box it and unbox it. So you prepare this box like so, and then close it when you are not using it. So you see we have like 7 activities: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, starting from very a sort of easy one going up till complex ones. Alright, so let's see what this is. This is simple ketchup lid that we have taken, those from plastic bottles. So when the child is opening and closing, you can see the fine motor skills are developed. Now this is a cap, this is a lid of Mentos, so simple close, shut and down. This is a lid we have used of sanitizer, promoting very good writing skills. This is we have taken from a perfume. A child can just roll it and enjoy it. This is we have taken from a juice carton, so open and close kind of a concept. This we have taken from a ketchup bottle, open and close again. So you see this has a different kind of severity where the child has to pull the lid like this and close it. Hear the sound. And this we have taken from one of our face mask. So child is opening the lid and closing the lid. Isn't it such easy peasy thing? You have to take a cake board and then different lids that you use it at home and provide excellent writing skills, fine motor skills to your young one. So let's do it once more again. Open and close. Yes. Open and close. Yes. Open and close properly. Yes. Yes. Open it. Great. This one. Yes, so you can actually teach the right way to the child by opening it like this and closing it like this, and then open and close. Yes, great. And then once your child has used it, you can simply box it up again. And since I have one camera in one of my hands, so you can simply close this box and keep it somewhere. And this becomes your great box of early pre-writing skills. A mystery box to teach pre-writing and fine motor skills. So we hope you like it. Stay safe, take care of your health, and follow SOPs and stay safe. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next week. Bye-bye.